Hello, my wonderful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all doing fine. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for the returning subscribers. And if you are very new to this channel, I'm Esther from Esther Farm. Thank you so much for your support. Stick around as we learn. Did you know that you don't need a big farm to raise your chickens? Even in a tiny urban space like this, you can start poultry farming, get fresh eggs, and even make profits. Let me show you how. In order to get profit and succeed in your poultry farming, you should consider some factors, and here are the following factors. When I started my poultry farming, I did not have space. I just had a very tiny space, and I started with my backyard space where I started with few chickens. As a beginner, you should not start big, but you should start small, and especially if you have never raised chickens before, make sure you start with few chickens and learn fast how to raise them, because raising chickens is not easy, let me tell you, so that you don't incur losses. Sometimes most farmers make a mistake of venturing into poultry farming without any knowledge. So you should at least get some knowledge so that you can be able to raise your chickens without any problem. Another thing is that you should also consider choosing the right breed, because not all chickens do well in small spaces. You can go for hardy and productive breeds that can adapt, like graders or layers. They can give you the best results without needing a huge farm. Another factor to consider is housing. Housing is the most important part in urban areas because space is limited, so you must use it wisely. You can use vertical coop like this, and this can increase the space and you can be able to keep many birds. The only thing you should consider is making sure there is enough ventilation, light, and that cleaning is easy. A simple design like this can house dozens of birds in a small space. Another point is feeding. And feeding doesn't have to be complicated at all, because you can use cheap feeding traps that are placed outside for easy feeding, and also saving time, and this reduces feed wastage. You can also supplement your chickens with vegetables or kitchen waste, and this way your chickens stay healthy and you can cut down cost. Another thing is, when doing urban farming, you should keep your space clean. You should keep removing droppings and use them for manure. The waste becomes organic fertilizer for your garden or for sale. And this keeps the chickens healthy, also reduces bad smell, and turns waste into profit. When it comes to egg collection, you can design simple nest boxes like these ones for egg laying and collect eggs daily. When you make nesting boxes for your chickens, it keeps the eggs fresh and encourages the hens to lay more. And this is what I do daily, feeding my chicken, giving clean water, collecting eggs, and a quick cleaning of my coop, which takes less than 30 minutes. From just a tiny space, you can provide eggs or meat for your family, even sell the extra. You can start small from 10, 20, or 50 birds and grow step by step. With this tiny urban space, it can become a profitable poultry project. If I can raise chickens here, you can too. Start small, think smart, and grow your poultry farming dream light from the city. If you found this helpful, Hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with anyone dreaming of farming in small spaces. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Now let us highlight some of the points that you should consider before starting your urban poultry business in a small space. The first point is breed selection and housing and feeding, waste management, daily routine and egg correction, and also business and profit from your eggs and meat.